I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Essential Blocks. Fetch it. Now go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Form submitted successfully. Go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, choose a unique value, for example form ID, in every form submitted. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Choose a unique key. Set action. Now search for action SendPulse. Give a name. For client ID and client secret, please click here. Copy client ID and secret and paste it in authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Now map the fields. Here you can see conditional logic. As per your requirement, you can use it. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Now go to your form and fill it up with data. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to SendPulse dashboard. Click on Mailing List Account. Now click on My Emails. You can see record created in Mailing Lists module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.